Welcome back to our news segment where we cover the latest and greatest innovations making headlines across the country. Tonight, we're excited to share with you a revolutionary company that's changing the game for entrepreneurs and innovators alike. Meet Ghost Founder, an innovation company that specializes in ultra-fast prototyping, taking ideas from concept to functional prototype in just one day. They offer a multidisciplinary team of engineers, designers, marketers, and sales experts who work together to create custom solutions tailored to each product's unique needs. Ghost Founder has worked with a variety of clients, from Fortune 500 companies to startups, and helped them turn their boldest ideas into reality with unmatched speed, accuracy, and creativity. Don't let a lack of time, expertise, or funding hold you back from executing your best ideas. Ghost Founder will save you months of development time, provide the necessary expertise, and help you get the buy-in needed to turn your ideas into successful initiatives. With Ghost Founder, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Contact them today and take your ideas to the next level.